this day, I took a walk to the lake and just sit around. I like to do that once in a while, just taking the view, appreciate the work of an awesome creator. As I was seated there, I was watching the ducks, the quails, as they have just migrated to know spring. And the ducks were just having a lovely time in the lake. I couldn't record this for you. I'm so sorry about that. And all of a sudden, a dog came in to lap on the water. As soon as the dog came into the water, the duck began to give out this disturbing, discomforting sound. Because the dog was actually startled. The sound was like an alarm. I've never experienced such in my life. It was a beautiful sight, between these two, and a beautiful experience between these two creatures. As I sat down there, I began to appreciate the fact that we all have a defense mechanism built inside of us by this awesome creator. He's built inside each and every of his creation a defense mechanism that when they feel threatened by any situation, they can actually call out for help. And it goes to tell me what prayers does. That when we are startled, when we feel uncomfortable, when we find ourselves in an unpleasant situation, we can actually call out for help. We can sound an alarm from earth and heaven would respond. So whatever your situation is, whatever you're facing, whatever that discomforting situation is today that you're facing, I'd like you to cry out, to scream out from your bowels this day, this moment, and cry out to him who is able to do all things, even beyond your expectations. He meets and surpasses your expectations. This is the God that we serve. Remember, he says he has given you the keys and the authority that whatever you bind here on earth is bound in heaven, and whatever you lose here on earth is loose in heaven. That is the defense mechanism we have. That is the authority we have, that we should step into any situation like warriors, like victors, like conquerors, and begin to conquer, begin to take over, begin to take authority, begin to possess. He says he has given us the earth. He has given the earth to mankind. He has made the earth for mankind, and the heaven is his resting place. So we should always use the defense mechanism that God has given to us, that is inbuilt whenever we find ourselves in an awkward situation, whenever we know our senses tell us, no, this is not where I'm supposed to be, this is not what is supposed to be happening around me. That is your defense mechanism coming up to tell you, to give you an alarm that you ought to do something. And what is urging you to do is to stand up, take a step, pray until the situation changes. That is the God we serve, an awesome God, the ever-able God. So if this message has blessed you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at the Threshing Floors Rosemary. Thank you so much. Shalom.